Hi, so this video is about getting clients using a lead magnet. So as we all know, a lead magnet is something that attracts leads. So you can run ads to it, you can get traffic to it, you can do cold email to it, however you want to get traffic to it. But the lead magnet is designed to get an email address, phone number, whatever you want to get to qualify a lead. And then the idea is with these leads, you then nurture these into becoming clients. Now, lead magnets are pretty popular in the info marketing space. So, people selling courses, people selling memberships, people selling, coaching, that kind of thing. They'll put out a lead magnet as kind of a, here's free info, and then they'll upsell you on the paid info, potentially over, weeks and months of automated emails, phone calls, text messages, whatever it takes. But something that isn't very popular in the SEO agency space is getting clients with a lead magnet. SEO agencies pretty much like to just run ads to their homepage that I've seen mostly. They're trying to get clients through cold email, Google ads, stuff like that, which is fine and it works, but I think SEO agencies is missing a trick by not using this lead magnet method. So what kind of things can you do to get clients using a lead magnet? Well, you can share your system, you can share your methodology, you can share a DIY version of what you do. So this could be an ebook, this could be some kind of video, some kind of course. You could share an ebook or a course or a video or a guide on something that your clients struggle with. So, for example, if you are in the dentist space, you can target a lead magnet to dentists saying, how to get more clients for your dental practice. And it could lay out, they need to use PPC, they need to use SEO, they need to do social media, they need to do content marketing. Hey, we do all this for you. That could be the kind of call to action at the end of it. Other ones can be like surveys. So you can survey your industry. You can survey, for example, if you are targeting home and garden brands with SEO or paid marketing or marketing services in general, you can run a survey on home and garden and their activity in marketing. Are home and garden brands growing in 2024? Are they shrinking? What are their marketing behaviors of the year? So these are a few ways that you can get a lead magnet sorted. There's a few ideas there. Here's one that we ran for a long time. So we did this in a physical book. We did it in an ebook. We ran ads to it. We took it to trade shows. We sent it via cold email. We did a lot really to get people on this. Our target market is SEO agencies, so we were thinking of what's something that every SEO agency struggles with, or what's something that every SEO agency wants, and they want leads, they want clients. It is true amongst all SEO agencies. They want more leads. If you ask any SEO agency, do you want more clients? They'll all say yes. So we created an ebook based on 26 proven ways to get more leads and clients, and it's a pretty in-depth book, and it goes through 26 ways. It's quite nicely designed. It looks great as a physical book as well. Now, this isn't directly related to our services. We can do a service one, and we have done in the past, and we're working on a few more lead magnets currently based around service. But this one is based around something adjacent to what we do. But because we're helping our client, we're getting leads, we can then say, look, we've helped you with this. This is what we do. When you do get the clients, we can help you with the link building, content writing, that kind of thing. So this really works well as a lead magnet, and this is a good example of you don't have to create something that's so directly related to your service. It can be something a little bit adjacent to your service. Now, this is a good example. Again, I couldn't find many examples because SEO agencies don't really do the lead magnet stuff, and they should. Any agency that starts doing this will will really propel themselves ahead. It does take a bit more work because you've got to know what to do with the leads after you've got them. You've got to have a good automation sequence, good follow-up sequence. So this lead magnet here is basically a book. So Hennessy Digital, a great agency focusing on law firms, they've got a book which is called Law Firm SEO. So basically, they can target ads to this, and they get in probably marketing teams within law firms or heads of SEOs in law firms that want to know how to do SEO for their law firm. This is going to reveal a lot of the methodology that Hennessy Digital do. So they're getting a lot of free info, a lot of do-it-yourself info, but the idea will be they read the book and go, these guys have gave me so much value and they really know what they're talking about. I'm just going to get them to do it. And that might be 10-20% of the people that read the book, maybe even less than that, but it's worth it for them. And they also position themselves as a market leader. They position themselves as the law firm SEO experts because of this. So yeah, it's a great way of doing this. It's actually free, but I think you pay for shipping or something. Maybe it's completely free. So they're even stumping up the shipping. They could do this as an ebook, and they would probably wouldn't have to deal with this shipping cost, but maybe they've priced it in and the physical version is just worth sending because people read physical books. No one reads ebooks, or fewer people read ebooks. So physical versions I really like, and I think it's a great idea from Hennessy. And another one here, survey lead magnet. So you can run a survey in your industry and you can gate it behind an email. You don't have to gate it behind an email. You can kind of just publish it on your website and run ads to it. It will get the kind of attention that you want from people in your industry, going through, reading this, sharing this, linking to this. This is a great one, really, because law firms want to find out what's going on in their industry. This is from Hennessy Digital again, and yeah, this is going to attract their audience. So, throughout this, they've got little bits which is want to be included in future studies, enter email, so they're getting leads that way. Again, the key here is to not only come up with a lead magnet, but to come up with a plan of what to do with those leads afterwards. So with anything, like whatever you do, whether it's an ebook, whether you're doing a video, whether you're doing a course, a physical book, a survey, you need to know, right, okay, what emails are we going to send to these leads? Are we going to send an email every 3 days? Are we going to send an email for a year with all our case studies, with our more tips, with low cost offers? So you need a plan to do that, because a lead magnet's worth nothing without the plan to do that afterwards. If you're just putting them on your newsletter mailing list, you're missing out. You need a specific plan for a specific lead magnet. This will get the most out of your ads and your efforts with this. So yeah, run lead magnets, build lead magnets, then run ads to them. Facebook ads work really well for lead magnets because they're lower cost and you can probably make the economics work. And it's also, people don't really search for lead magnets, so Google ads doesn't make sense for it. You want to target a specific audience and show them something they might be interested for free, rather than just running ads to your services and saying, hey, buy our stuff. You're going to get a better chance of people going, this looks interesting, I'm going to sign up. Then run the numbers. So from when people sign up to your lead magnet to purchase, you want to use UTMs, you want to use tracking, but you want to run the numbers and see what that lead magnet returned to you. It's a harder thing to do because there's a few steps and it takes a little bit more reporting, a little bit more auditing. But once you get a good system and a good lead magnet, you're ready to go. And it's good looking at other agencies. You can use Facebook ad library to actually go and take a look at what other agencies are doing, what lead magnets they're running. And yeah, essentially, if you see a company running an ad or running a lead magnet for a long time, it's working, so you can emulate that as a starting point. And don't just look at SEO agencies, look at other industries as well. Info marketing is a great industry to look at. Anyone who's selling courses, they run lead magnets like crazy, and they know exactly what they're doing with this. Like Russell Brunson, those kind of guys, you'll see them running lead magnets all the time. So yeah, this is the lead magnet training, and I hope you got something out of it. See you on the next video.